Hi there, it's Mrs. S. Today I am going to show you how to draw a sun and a cloud connected with a rainbow. It's gonna look something like this. We're just gonna do the drawing part today, okay? So this lesson is inspired by the book called How the Crayon Saved the Rainbow. And the first thing you're gonna do is get a piece of paper, a pencil or a marker, and you are going to draw the sun. To draw the sun, you're gonna make a circle. Try to make the circle on one of the sides of the paper. Don't put it in the middle. So I'm gonna make the sun, first a circle. Now we're gonna make the rays of the sun. I'm gonna do triangles. We're gonna make it extra special. You can make a face for the sun. You can make extra rays if you want to. Now I'm gonna make the cloud. To make the cloud, you're gonna make curved lines or curly lines right on the other side. Also, you can make a face. And now we're gonna make the rainbow. You need about 8 curved lines going from one side to the other. So we have all the colors of the rainbow. And the only thing you need to do is go around from the sun to the cloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you want to add one more here, that's great. So now, to color the rainbow, you may want to follow the right order: Roy G. Biv, red, yellow, orange, green, blue, indigo, and violet, or you can make your own colorful rainbow. So in my example, the colors of the rainbow are kind of mixed up, but it's okay. You can be creative and use your imagination. I hope you have fun making the sun, the cloud, and the rainbow. Bye-bye.